I am making something for my dog, and I wanted to share a real quick video on how to make your own dog food. This dog food, I'm making this because my dog, Nino Chico, has some digestive issues. And sometimes he doesn't want to eat what the doctors give him. And so he's had a couple of attacks, and he's actually doing better since I started making this this dog food for him. You can actually nibble on it yourself. But what I do is I start off with a potato, a red potato, a carrot, and some sweet potatoes, and a sweet potato. And I saute it with grapeseed oil. And then, as it's halfway cooked, I add the it's 99% fat-free, and it doesn't have any fillers. It has rosemary leaf in it, and in the meat when I buy it, and it's called Nino. And I add the meat to it, and usually instead of salt, and really dogs don't need salt, but I'll add some nutritional yeast to this, and I mix it with this dog food that the doctor gives me, and he eats it. He's actually gotten some strength back. It's healthy and all. I added some zucchini. So I basically went online and I found out what kind of foods that dogs can eat. There was one online, I didn't agree with it, so I referred back to my vet and asked if it was okay for dogs to eat raw meat, and she suggested no, do not give your dog raw meat at all. So, and I kind of figured that was a difference of philosophy. But this is actually for my pooch, and this is what I make him. And he's actually getting better. He had a major attack. I don't know if it was a stroke, but he actually lived through it without any medication, and I took him to the vet, and basically the vet said, you know, dogs don't live forever, and that's the truth. But when we get older, you know, we have to really be careful what we put in our bodies. And I guess animals are like people in a sense, and this is actually teaching me. And then I mix it with a dog food that I have, and which has vitamins, but this itself has vitamins. So it's a really good recipe. I thought I'd share it. So I'll show you the package that it's kind of, pulled it out. So this is what I use. And for my dog, he's 16 years of age, and he's been with me for a very long time, and I mean, I don't expect him to live forever, but who knows, he might live to be a little bit older. But I figure if I change his food, then I might give him a chance. So for those who can't afford vet bills, and have my dog is quite thin, so to me he's really frail, and if anything, he's not eating like he should. And I'll even mix some kibbles with this as well. I'll mix this mixture with some of this and some kibbles, and then he's fine. I mean, he'll eat it. And dogs, when they get older, they eat when they feel like it. So basically that's it. I don't know if I'll ever want to own another one, because when they get older, it's hard. So it's just like taking care of a person. Okay, I'll talk to you later.